Give me 2 minutes and I'll tell you 5 news from the last 24 hours that the regular media won't tell you. In the first news, J&K's Kulgam has faced a terror attack. This is the second terror attack that Jammu and Kashmir has faced in the last 15 days. In this terror attack, 2 migrant laborers were killed. In the second news, Tata Institute of Social Sciences, TISS Mumbai, has postponed its convocation. This is the third public event in which CGI was a chief guest and has been postponed. In the third news, now in order to get the benefit of CM scheme of 2500 rupees per month, women of Delhi will have to get their letters signed by either their local MLAs or MPs. This is very problematic as this can lead to 2 problems. The first one is that these MLAs and MPs might ask for some money from these women in order to sign their documents. Second thing is that, as we have seen in case of Bihar also, these later on then become blackmailing instruments that we have signed your document and if you do not then we'll cancel out your documents. In the fourth news, if you're from Mumbai, you probably know about IAS officer Tukaram Munde. In the past few months, he was the food and supply officer who was responsible for going on a rampage on all these adulterated milk, paneer and all these things, and he was improving the system a lot. But this is India, man. His own officers, FD officers, 29 officers have signed a petition to the minister asking for his resignation. In the fifth news, in a very sad event, a boy from 21-year-old boy in MP died on his way to the hospital in the ambulance because the oxygen in the ambulance was over. He died in his parents' arms. In the bonus news, the 4200 crore barrier-free highway that was made using 3D technology in UP has itself become 3D now, and that too within weeks. I don't know what will happen with all these highways within a few years. Last, I want to thank each one of you because now we've become a community of 25,000 people. I would have never thought kitni jaldi ho jayega. So, if you like my video, please do comment, like, share with as many people as possible. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.